Ready to ditch Interact and level up your customer engagement with Aisensy. First, let's talk data preparation. Begin by exporting your contact list from Interact, ensuring you save it in a universally compatible format like CSV. This is the foundation of your smooth transition. Navigate to the Contacts section within your Interact account. Locate the Export option. It's usually represented by a download icon or a button labeled Export Contacts. Click it. Choose CSV as your export format and initiate the download. Make sure the file saves to a location you can easily find on your computer. Now, log into your Aisensy account. Head over to the Contacts section on the Aisensy dashboard. Look for the Import Contacts button, which is prominently displayed. Aisensy offers a drag-and-drop interface for uploading your CSV file, or alternatively, you can browse your computer to select the file manually. Upload the CSV file you exported from Interact. The system might prompt you to map the columns from your CSV to the corresponding fields in Aisensy. This ensures accurate data transfer. Next, you'll need to recreate your important message templates. Open Interact and go to the Message Templates section to view all your templates. Manually copy and paste the content of each template from Interact into the Message Template section of Aisensy. Pay close attention to custom fields and formatting to ensure accuracy. Finally, reconfigure your integrations. Access the Integrations section within Aisensy and reconnect all the third-party applications you are using with Interact, such as your CRM or e-commerce platform. And that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly migrate from Interact to Aisensy and start leveraging its powerful features to grow your business. #migration process #AISE inside transition.